Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Nissan Armada SE. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.